Now that our form is functional and stylish, let's make sure users fill it out correctly. Some fields should not be left empty. We can make them mandatory with the required attribute. So let's make the name input required. And also let's make the message field required as well. Now we can't submit a form without entering a name and a message. Let's say we currently are not available for meetings. Let's disable Schedule a Meeting Date Picker by adding Disabled attribute. Also, let's disable Radio button for phone, since we didn't provide field for a phone number. A disabled field is completely non-interactive. Users can't click or type in it. Sometimes we want to display information without allowing changes. The read-only attribute prevents edits. So instead of required attribute, let's add a value equals user attribute and then read-only. Now, name has default value user and cannot be edited. But in our case, let's require user to enter their name by leaving the required attribute. For numeric fields like age, we can set limits. For example, minimum 18 and maximum 100. This ensures values stay within the allowed range from 18 to 100. To sum up, required attribute ensures important fields are filled. Min and max values set the allowed range for numeric values. Disabled blocks interaction completely. And read-only makes a field only display information.